In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications from Sofascore app. So if you have been getting a lot of notifications from this app, then it is pretty much simple to stop them. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead and access the info page for Sofascore. And there are two ways you can achieve this. So this process should be more or less the same on your Android smartphone. So to do this, go first to settings, and my settings is here, then tap on it. Now under settings, scroll down and look for apps. Under apps, tap the option called manage apps. And from here, look for your app, or you can just search it here. And Sofascore is here. And from this now you can see we are on info page. Alternatively, if you are getting it hard to get to this page, then there is an alternative from your app here. Just go ahead and long press on it. And then you'll see here app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you'll see that you are on the same page, info page. From this page, scroll down until you get to this section called notifications. And when you go ahead and tap on it, you can see all notifications have been turned on. The reason why you have been receiving a lot of notifications from Sofascore is because you allowed all notifications to come through. To turn them off, just go ahead and toggle this off, show notifications. And then if you go ahead and toggle it off, you can see all the other types of notifications will be muted or will be turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see notifications from Sofascore. So that's how you turn off notifications from Sofascore. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.